Standard 2nd, Unit 2. Birds can fly. Subject English. Today we are going to learn the poem Birds Can Fly. Listen carefully, sing and act with me. Let's start. Birds can fly, 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 fly. Birds can fly, 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 fly. Up in the sky, 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 sky. And I can fly too. Frogs can jump, 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 jump. Frogs can jump, 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 jump. Very, very high, 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 high. And I can jump too. Ducks can swim, ducks can swim deep in the water, and I can swim too. Dogs can walk, 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 walk. Dogs can walk, 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 walk on the ground, on the ground, and I can walk too. Horses can run, horses can run in the forest, and I can run too. Bunnies can hop, 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 hop. Bunnies can hop, 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 hop on the grass, on the grass, and I can hop too. Dear students, now look, listen, repeat, and enact with me. Fly like a bird, jump like a frog, swim like a duck, walk like a dog, run like a horse, and hop like a bunnies. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, then press the like button and subscribe. Once again, thank you.